Hello lovely audience, welcome back to yet another helpful video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to rotate page in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to rotate your page into Canva, just simply open your Canva application at first, and after opening your Canva application, this homepage will appear. Now you just simply have to open your project where you want to rotate the page. And now after opening your project, you just simply have to select the page where you want to rotate. And after that, just simply tap into this three dot at the top, and from there you will get the option of resize and magic switch. Just simply tap into that button, but in order to use this feature you have to get the premium version of Canva. And after that you just simply have to tap into this resize button, and now you can use custom size in order to rotate the image. Just simply enter the height and width of the image and also the unit if you want to change that, and then after switching this height with width, your page will be rotated into Canva. I already told you, in order to use this feature you have to get the premium of Canva. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.